Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Millermatic 252 parts is probably one of the most important aspects of owning a Millermatic 252 welder, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. This video will thoroughly explore the essential components of the Millermatic 252, from the wire feeder and drive rolls to the gun and gas solenoid, providing a comprehensive understanding of each part's function and how to identify potential issues or necessary replacements. We'll also cover maintenance tips and troubleshooting advice, empowering you to keep your Millermatic 252 in top working condition. Number 5. YESWELDER Mig Welding Gun. This premium MIG gun is built to last, offering superior performance and reliability for all your welding projects. It's designed for a seamless fit and easy operation. It's a perfect replacement for several Miller welding guns, ensuring compatibility and minimizing downtime. You'll get the same great results with this cost-effective alternative. This gun uses standard Miller consumables, making it easy to find replacement parts and keep it running smoothly. No need to search for specialized components. It handles a wide range of wire diameters, giving you the flexibility to tackle various welding tasks. You'll be prepared for any project with its adaptability. The 15-foot cable provides ample reach, improving maneuverability and comfort during welding. You'll have more freedom to work efficiently. It comes with multiple contact tips to get you started right away. Everything you need is included for immediate use. It's compatible with a wide range of Millermatic models, ensuring a perfect fit for your setup. Check the list to confirm compatibility with your machine. What we like. It's a direct replacement for your old welding gun, boasting a longer 15-foot cable for enhanced reach and maneuverability. If you need a reliable and durable replacement for your Millermatic welder, this is the perfect choice. This ensures you can tackle larger projects without limitations. What people say. Replaced the Stinger for my Miller 225. It's a little unwieldy and bulky but works well. This is a very good replacement MIG gun. I run it on Miller 185. I've had it for nearly 2 years now and use it heavily. In my opinion, it's just as good as a Miller and takes the same consumables. Highly recommend. The ergonomic design of the gun makes it very comfortable to use over an extended period of time. The flex neck also made getting into some very tight spots a much easier task. Number 4. YESWELDER Mig Welding Gun Kit. Enhance your welding precision and efficiency with this comprehensive accessory kit. It's designed to seamlessly integrate with your existing equipment, ensuring optimal performance. This kit is perfectly compatible with Millermatic M25 M40 and Hobart H MIG welding guns. Double-check the images to confirm compatibility with your specific model. Inside, you'll find 2 gas nozzles, 20 contact tips sized 0.035, 2 tip adapters, and 2 nozzle adapters. Everything you need for a smooth welding process. Each component is crafted from durable, high-quality materials, built to withstand the rigors of frequent use and deliver consistent results. With this kit, you'll experience improved arc stability and reduced spatter, leading to cleaner, more professional-looking welds. Enjoy a smoother, more efficient welding experience. Installation is quick and easy. Simply replace the worn-out parts with the new components included in the kit. Get back to welding in minutes. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to maintain your welding gun, saving you money and time on individual part purchases. If you're looking for a budget-friendly way to keep your welding gun in top condition, this kit is for you. It's perfect for those who prefer to have spare parts readily available. What people say. Perfect fit. Great value to rebuild the end of your gun. Worked for my old Miller Gold GS 250. Most of the parts fit and look fine. Number 3. Millermatic MIG Welding Gun Kit. Enhance your welding precision and efficiency with this comprehensive accessory kit. It's designed to seamlessly integrate with your Millermatic welder, ensuring optimal performance. This kit provides everything you need for smooth, consistent welds. You'll receive contact tips, gas nozzles, and diffusers, all perfectly sized for your machine. With 20 high-quality contact tips, you'll have plenty on hand for extended welding projects. This ensures you always have a fresh tip ready to go. The included gas nozzles and diffusers ensure precise gas flow for superior weld quality. This leads to stronger, cleaner welds every time. It's designed for Millermatic M25 and M40 and Hobart H MIG welding guns. This kit is a perfect fit for your existing equipment. Installation is quick and easy. Simply replace the worn parts with the new components from this kit and get back to welding. What we like. This kit offers a wide array of replacement parts, ensuring your welding gun is always ready for use. If you prioritize convenience and cost savings, this is an excellent option. It's ideal for those who want to easily maintain their welding equipment without frequent part replacements. What people say. Great product for the money, works like factory. Worked great on the Miller 212 wire feed. Made very good. Number 2. Millermatic Liner 15 foot. This is the Millermatic replacement liner, designed for precise welding. It's a crucial component for maintaining optimal performance in your Millermatic welder. It's constructed from durable materials to withstand the rigors of frequent use. You can count on it for consistent, reliable performance. With a thickness between 0.030 and 0.035, it ensures a perfect fit in your Millermatic welder. This precision is key for optimal welding results. Replacing it is straightforward, minimizing downtime and maximizing your productivity. Simple instructions are included for a quick and easy installation. The 15-foot length provides ample reach for various welding tasks. This extended length offers greater flexibility and convenience. It's specifically designed for use with the Millermatic series welders. This ensures a perfect fit and optimal performance. Regular replacement is essential for peak welding performance. This liner will keep your Millermatic welder running smoothly. What we like. It's an original Miller part, guaranteeing superior quality and performance. If you demand the best for your Millermatic welder, this is the only choice. This ensures optimal functionality and longevity, minimizing downtime and maximizing your welding efficiency. What people say. Genuine Miller part. Pay attention to which liner you get concerning what size wire you run. I bought the number 194011 version, which is for the 030.035 wire, and smaller. Have about 8 months of use on it since installation, have experienced zero issues. Easy to install. Fit and worked great. Replace the liner and it works like new again. Number 1. Miller M25 Welding Gun. This is a 250 amp MIG welding gun, perfect for various welding tasks. It's designed for efficiency and precision, making your work easier. It seamlessly fits Miller M25, Millermatic 200, 210, 212, 250, 250X, 251, and 252 models, as well as vintage models. This ensures broad compatibility with your existing equipment. Experience superior performance with its robust design and high amperage capacity. It's built to handle demanding projects with ease. The 15-foot cable provides ample reach and flexibility, allowing you to work comfortably in various positions. No more struggling with short cables. This kit comes complete with everything you need to get started immediately. It includes a .035 wire, so you can begin welding right away. Upgrade your welding experience today with this high-quality MIG gun. It's a reliable and efficient tool for any welder. What we like. This kit includes a new welding gun with a convenient 15-foot cable and all the necessary consumables. If you need a complete replacement for your old welding gun, this is a great all-in-one solution. It's perfect for those who want a hassle-free upgrade with everything included. What people say. Works great. Fit just like it was supposed to and work well for several months. This was a plug-and-play replacement. Opened the box AMD within minutes, I was welding again. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.